Hello guys, so I want to show you how to get question-based keywords or how to get questions that people are searching for on Google for your particular seed keyword. One of the ways to do this is to use a website called answerthepublic.com. You're just going to type answerthepublic.com and then you click on it to visit the website. Right, this website used to be very free until it was purchased by this guy. So if you want to, you can sign up for free to get about 3 daily searches, which is good. Now, to get keywords from your pick, first of all, you have to determine the country you're targeting, and then you determine the language. Let's say I'm talking about gardening tips. Let's say gardening. I can search and I'll see questions people are searching for under gardening. So gardening, this is your seed keyword, right? So you can see this is more like a map showing you various questions that people are searching for concerning gardening. You can see this, why gardening is a good hobby, why gardening is good for you. And you can also see this, gardening expenses tax deductible, gardening gloves waterproof, gardening zones changing. You can see that there are some cool keywords that you can actually write from here. You can develop probably a single article, or you can add it to an existing article as questions and answer FAQ. Okay, just have to try this out and see if it works for you. You can actually browse through and see and find out more. I hope you can also use this tool for basic keywords research, though it gives you a lot of keywords concerning your seed keywords. Okay, just have to play through, and I would advise you sign up for free so that you can be able to use this tool about 3 times a day. And when you do, you can actually export. You can export this. If you have a free account, you can export this, right? Thank you, and God bless you.